normal. So you can, I'm just looking for another cornova. See?
So this is the procedure which I am doing in my lab. So here you can see a glass pasture pipette where I'm using a dish. This is the petri dish or the culture dish which is used to screen the patient.
No downtime, can consume all normal activities and sexual activities immediately, and no incisions are required.
Trust to the history geography. And these examples of the typical multiplanar display of the 3D ultrasound in the longitudinal plane, in the transverse plane, and in the coronal plane.